Hello, everybody. I'm starting talking today about my Texas silencer Outrider suppressor. It's a titanium rifle suppressor. So I have my silencer. I have my end cap range. I have my thread adapter right now, stayed on my rifle. Simple. It's titanium. It's a high temperature Cerakote 9.25 inches time 1.5 inches, 12 ounces, very lightly. It's a good. It's compatible with all caliber, from 22 long rifle to 300 Winchester, battle rating 223, 308, 300 Winchester, 9 millimeter. Uh, is a very quiet suppressor. Using couple videos, so check my channel. Uh, have a warranty. Only do you need to check your manual. Have a couple end caps. Is 308 right now. Stayed on my rifle right here. 308. So it's a 308. Have 270, 243, 223. It's very simple. On the manual, you have your hearing protection, uh, shooting with bladed miria, proper care and cleaning, bullet sonic boom,